Hey you guys, so today we're going to finish up the TTR50 build. I guess for the most part anyways. I was able to score a couple GYTR parts. We got the heavy duty peg mounts with the aluminum pegs, and then we've got the billet aluminum extended rear brake lever, and then I need to extend the kickstand so that I'm not having to stick it on a couple of 2x4s anymore. Yeah, pretty simple. Should be able to knock it out pretty quick, so set up time lapse and get it going. Alright, now that I got it off, I realized that the kickstand assembly is part of the stock foot peg assembly, so I'll deal with that. Have to fab something up. Should be pretty simple. Just have to cut it and weld a bracket that extends it down. No big deal. Keep moving forward. Alright, that wasn't too bad. Pegs are on there, mounts on there, and the extended brake lever's on there. That's going to be a huge improvement for riding, because that stock one was so tiny and I have huge freaking feet. So I did find out though that one of the foot peg mount bolts is stripped, so that kind of sucks, but the other three are good, so it is what it is. It's kind of standard with pit bikes these days. It seems like people don't know what they're doing when they're wrenching on them and screw stuff up. So now I just need to hack this off of there, extend the kickstand, and just weld it up on the new bracket. So it's pretty quick and easy. got that off of there. I grinded the spot smooth on the new mount already, so I just need to weld this on there, and then I'm going to cut this somewhere in here and extend the tube. Trying to get somewhat of a bevel on here so that I can fill it with weld and then grind it flush. Try and look somewhat decent. She's all done. Got the kickstand welded up, grinded down, and painted. Those anodized GYTR parts look sick. There's the kickstand. Gave it an extra 1.5 inches, and it gives me the right amount of lean that I was looking for. I do need to restaple my seat. I bought an air nailer because the standard issue hand nailer or stapler didn't do a good job of sticking those down. So this thing, I'm gonna get started on another project right now, and if you follow my Instagram, then you might know what this guy's gonna be. But it's another video for another day. I'll see you guys later.